Alright, boys and girls. I don't know if that's showing up on video. I got like a yellowy orange. Alright. So, are those things pretty? So, the filter's leaking. It's leaking like crazy. When the filter leaks, it's not a big deal when it's pressurized, but when it's not pressurized, when it fills back up, it only fills up halfway. It's still filled with water. There's no way to purge it out. So, you think about an automatic vent on the top of but nah, you don't want that. You want it to stop leaking. Then you clean up the seal. You clean up the seal. Clean all that up as much as you can. I took it off. We'll bring it inside. So, but if you're watching this video, you got this far. So we'll see. I'll show you how I did it. So here's the ring. Let's get the 2 hinges on it. Makes up the whole, but I mean, look at that. Oops, that is gross. But that makes up the whole ring there. So I've been going at it with a wood chisel. Nice and gentle, and I got all this crud out of here. So wood chisel, and then I'll hit it with the wire brush. And it's going pretty good. And we're going to paint it. Can't have it corroding like this. Alright, so we switched to the wire brush on a drill, because there was a lot of crap on here. But we got most of it cleaned up. I put, what is it? I cleaned it up with mineral spritz. Just waiting for that to dry, and then we're gonna put some paint on it. Alright, boys and girls, it's raining, so I had to get together pretty fast. But there it is. You shouldn't have to whack it on with a hammer. Keep the mating surfaces nice and clean. Keep in here clean. Keep it all clean, and you should be able to seal it up. It won't leak. Alright, boys and girls. Good luck with your projects. It's raining right now, so. Alright.